At the end of the day, I'm not just a trader. I'm a lot more than a trader. And if I was just telling you guys that I was just a trader and making only my money from trading, I would be lying to you. Save your money. We have enough money to trade tomorrow. So that's the name of the game. Staying in the game long enough to be able to trade tomorrow, be able to trade in a month. That's all we do it for. Look at that view. When we move, it's going to be on this side. Or look how elegant the pool is. You just want to jump on in. The ideal entries, price just pushed and pushed and pushed. Anybody that trades indexes 930 today on US 30 and NAS did the complete opposite. One drop, one push, but the ideal entries just weren't there. Like, that's what I need right there. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Another day, another opportunity. And today, our goal is to just improve and make some money. Right now, looking at the market looks like it kind of is already pushing. It has a lot of momentum, at least on US 30 specifically. But US 30 is also at an all-time high, which is the main reason why I've been bullish today, why I'm bullish yesterday. But we're going to see what we can do today. Yesterday, we had 2 L's. Today, we're going to see if we can make those trades back, see if we can make some money, give value to the team, and see if they can catch some trades with us. Just do what we do on a day-to-day basis. So let's get the team started because it's about to be 9:30. 9:30 is the time that we're active every single day. So let's get to work. Let's have a great day, productive day. And let's change our life. Trying to see if I can make some money today. Today I'm going to be trading one of my funded accounts for the first time, one I haven't traded. So we'll see. In between risking 500 to trade versus 200. Think about it. Even if you have artists, if you have a way of making your money, shit, that's advanced money. And if you could pay for their time, that's really what it comes down to a lot of time. Being able to pay for people's time, for them to actually put their attention into their main thing, trading, their business, music. But they need the time to be able to put their full attention into it in the first place, which majority of people don't have. Like 30 would have been it if we were in longs, but there was nowhere for me to go long off of. Just would have had to buy at a breakout, essentially. That would have been my best bet. Yeah, no trade day might be. Everything's just trending. Not really getting entries, but it's all good. All right, we ended up taking no trades. Well, I took no trades. Some people took some trades. Some people got dubs. Some people got a little L's for the day. I didn't take nothing. I couldn't make sense of nothing. The one trade I was gonna take, I'm trading a new funded account. I have multiple funded accounts. As you guys know, I passed a few of them live on YouTube. So if you want to go check out those videos, you can. They're probably under like passing funded, whatever they're called. I have a lot of videos, but they're recorded. But I didn't trade one of the funded accounts yet, and I was gonna trade it today. So right here, I was gonna trade this account today, which is just one of my funded accounts that I still have. And yes, this is all real, just for the people. Here, I'll refresh it, bro. Boom is gonna say all 0, 0, 0. Nothing was even started yet. Like there's no start date, nothing. So, but since I was trading that account, there's a max limit to the amount of contracts I could use. I think the max I could use when I first started on the account is 3, and I was trying to use 4. So when I went to take that trade idea that I was watching, it rejected it because I had too many. I had 3, but I had 4, so I had 1 over, so it rejected the whole trade. By the time I figured it out, and I was like, should I just take it on the other pair? It went against me, and I was like, okay. I'm gonna just be patient. I'll take that as a sign, and price just completely kept going. So I'm not even mad at it. Save your money. We have enough money to trade tomorrow. So that's the name of the game. Staying in the game long enough to be able to trade tomorrow, be able to trade in a month. That's all we do it for. We want to make this a full-time job. We got to be able to keep our accounts. Defense, not playing offense all the time. Defense is key, and defense is how you're gonna be able to stay in the game. Remember that. But I'm about to get the rest of our day started. Do what we got to do to improve. So wherever I end up next, you'll see. All right, right now we about to go get some food. She got to go to work in like 2 hours. Then after that, I'm gonna go to the gym and everything. But right now, about to go to Olive Garden. You know what I'm saying? I haven't gone to Olive Garden, I don't know how long, but I just want some breadsticks. Yeah, sounds real good. Same thing as me. What's up with that? I'm done getting food. I gotta go to Wawa right now because I told you guys in a previous video, I think my fucking rim is cracked. And honestly, I think it is cracked. I don't think it's the tire. The tire is brand fucking new because I recently popped the tire twice in the same day. So if you didn't watch that video, go back and watch it. Some crazy shit. Some crazy unexpected shit happens when you're a full-time entrepreneur, full-time self-employed. Whatever you do, don't even gotta be a day trader. Just self-employed because at the end of the day, I'm not just a trader. I'm a lot more than a trader. And if I was just telling you guys that I was just a trader and making only my money from trading, I would be lying to you. It's not true. And I don't want to be known as just a trader. I want to be known as someone that has changed their life and it's teaching others to do the same exact thing. Teaching you to do everything, not just one thing. Trading is just one thing that I do that makes me money. And I would be selling you guys short if I only taught you that. Nah, I'm gonna teach you everything. I'm gonna show you how to really turn your life upside fucking down, become a fucking billionaire. You know what I mean? I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna show you guys that I know what I'm talking about. But right now, I gotta put air in this tire because, like I said, this shit's a little fucked up. It's a little fucked up.
That ain't shit though. Bitch, you better hope I don't go broke. I'm pulling kick though. Bitch, I lost.
We just got to location. About to work here, about to get the VIP and everything all started. We got about 30 minutes. I actually have time to set up. We were gonna go to the beach, like the other place that we usually go to. If you watch the videos, you would know what place we usually go to. But that shit was an hour drive, I ain't gonna lie. And we still would have been on our way. We would still be 30 minutes away, maybe like 35 minutes away. Yeah, that shit ain't it. But now it's only 9 o'clock. We about to get everything started. We got a nice little view. It's gonna be a good day, nice and early. Let's get started. Look at that view. Beautiful view, beautiful. Right over here, this is another spot in downtown. But when we move, it's gonna be on this side. We're gonna be on this side. It's behind all of it, but you can see the top of the building right over here. Yeah, you can see it over there. But we about to head to this spot. And we're here. Made it to the pool. How many people are up here? About 2. It's a nice pool. It's a very elegant pool court. Look how elegant the pool is. It is, you just want to jump on in. But yeah, this is where I'm gonna put our stuff over here. This is where I like to have it. This is where I usually come. I've come here, I don't even know how many times to do sessions, just because coming here is cheaper than going to other places, if I'm being honest. But I come over here, get myself my big table. I sit on up. I got the good view in the background, if you want to show the view now. Yeah, look at that view. View of buildings. Some people look at this and like, damn, you want to stare at buildings? I'm like, yep. Yep. You got the yachts over here too. Can't forget, you got the view of the yachts. View of the yachts, the water. Come on. Gotta surround yourself by money. But they got the big black yacht, pause. The BBY. But the difference in price-wise from here, look over here. This building, the Marriott, and this building, the Marriott, essentially, that one is almost triple the price I paid per person. And then this one's probably like 5 times the price. And it's still not that much, but it's just to go only for 2 hours. I'd rather spend the day there. At that point, might as well get the fuck hotel. All right, we getting everything all set up. Got the laptop set up, got the phone set up, earphones, everything. Got the nice little camera with the backdrop. Now, I'm gonna just give it like 10, 15 minutes before we actually start the call. I'm not gonna show up early just to show up early. I'm not gonna look to take a trade, so there's no point. Just have a scheduled time that you're supposed to work. You don't show up to work early, you don't stay at work after you're supposed to. No one does it. Just be patient. Enjoy the view that we got. With the pool over there and everything. Before we get to work. All right, we got the call all started up. Started about 30 seconds ago. 9 people in. We about to see what we could do. 6 minutes till 9:30. We got about 6 minutes till 9:30. 9:30 is where everything matters. Everything up until then, I'm just gonna use it as a little pre-market, see what we can look at. So as of right now, we still got the previous day's high. Previous day's high is intact for US 30. So there's still room to the upside after having such a bullish day yesterday, and we're at all-time highs. I'm still overall bullish. That doesn't mean today won't be a retracement day. Today won't be a day where we come all the way into the range. But based off of probabilities, based off of what I think is high probability, what is going to be more likely than unlikely, I think we're more than likely going to be bullish. Now, that just because I know the trend is one thing, I got to figure out where would I even buy off of, because right now this definitely looks more like shorts, at least for short term. But we're going to see. Let's see what NAS 100 looks like. Oh my God. All right, we just got done with the VIP chat. We didn't take no trades. I'm still watching a couple trade ideas just because, as Jenner was saying, from the way, I'm gonna leave with something. It's a joke, but not a joke. I'm gonna see, it's still semi-early, still 10 o'clock, it's 10:30. I just got off the charts because the ideal entries, price just pushed and pushed and pushed. Anybody that trades indexes 9:30 today on US 30 and NAS did the complete opposite, one drop, one push, but the ideal entries just weren't there. We'll see if I can catch anything. I'm watching this little 15-minute gap. That would be like my last hope, but I'm gonna watch it while I enjoy the balcony enjoy the pool, enjoy the views, enjoy what we do this for. I love giving value. Even though I didn't take trades, I'm just happy that I was able to show up, give value to the team, and make sure that they are improving 1% a day. That's all I do it for. That's all I care about, helping them improve, because I'm telling them everything that I do myself. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this short before that guy get all out. Like, that's what I need right there. Big ass yacht with a all black Mercedes, like the one that was over there the other day. All right, we back at the house. We about to go get some food. She don't got work no more, so we might go back to the place later. Probably go to the pool, depending on how hot it is. But it's still early. Right now, it's only 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I want to turn off. There we go, 1 o'clock. But we about to get some food. Go to PF Chisel, PF Chang Wang, Chicken Wang. Get some food.